Installation is a proprietary technological solution. It is used to the pre-ecological utilization of organic waste and the total mineralization of sludge. Technology we use is not based on any flame-assisted utilization technique. Hence, it doesn't produce any byproducts such as NOx, dioxins, furans, CO, methane, etc. Municipal waste, biosedimentation, and hazardous solid waste is transported by a feeder to the storage chamber, the filling capacity of which is 6 cubic meters. Waste is crushed. Reaction chamber, the filling capacity of which is 3 cubic meters, is gravitationally charged. In this place, water is evaporated from waste by means of gas burners, then waste is gasified. Temperatures are much lower than in incinerating plants. Because of that, the state of waste, which could change in higher temperatures from solid to liquid, stays unchanged. This makes preliminary waste segregation needless. Owing to our technology, reaction chambers are not flooded by liquid glass, as it often happens in incinerating plants. We also don't have to deal with the problematic oxidation of metals, since the process that takes place in our reactor is anaerobic. Process residue can be sold. Both glass and metals can be passed to glass or ironworks. The utilized waste is unloaded from reaction chambers. It has the form of pure mineral. Then the mineral is transported by feeders to the container, which is situated outside the building. As far as liquid waste is concerned, the system of pumps transports it directly to a reverse catalytical oxidizer. Post-reaction gas is first transported to a high-temperature filter, where it is purified from all kinds of dust. Then it is directed to the reverse catalytical oxidizer, in which gasified solid and liquid organic waste is oxidized to organic gas and CO. Post-reaction gas is polished in a reverse oxidizer. The degree of purification is 99.99%. Post-reaction heat is recovered in a heat exchanger. In this case, we use 1 megawatt power, air-water device type. To recover heat in bigger installations, we use electric turbogenerators. Nitric oxide is reduced in a catalytical denox oxidizer. The results are on the level of 30% from the norms imposed by the EU, so we are still left with 70% reserve. Then, purified gas is transported by a fan to an alkaline scrubber. In this case, we use alkaline scrubber as the investor utilizes chloric waste, which in process changes into HCl. In all other processes, it changes into dioxins, which are the biggest problem of all incinerating plants. In this context, our installation cannot be called an incinerating plant. During the process of halogen utilization, HCl is produced in catalytical reactors. It is later reduced to solid, neutral compounds by the alkaline scrubber. This is how the problem of halogens is solved in a very effective way. It is so only because of our proprietary catalytical method of transforming chlorine and carboniferous compounds to HCl instead of to dioxins. That is why we are uppermost. The process is closed by the system of post-process gas deodorization. It is situated before the chimney, behind the alkaline scrubber. According to the EU directives, the whole chimney is monitored as far as the emission is concerned. Basic differences between incineration and mineralization are: